What if I told you that you can make your own movies without using actual movies or their stories? Sounds unbelievable, right? But let me tell you, it's 100% possible, and it's a game changer. With the help of AI, we can create completely imaginary AI movie videos that are just as exciting, dramatic, and entertaining as the real ones. The best part? No copyright problems, no legal headaches, and totally safe to monetize your channel. And don't worry, it's so simple that anyone can do it without breaking a sweat. You need to stop looking at the ceiling of your room and telling yourself that your life could be different, because there is a wise saying that if you are born poor, that's not your mistake. But if you die poor, that is definitely your mistake. Trust me, mate. YouTube can change your life. It's easy and doesn't require as much investment, and you can do it from anywhere in the world. And it's a long-term business and will eventually grow day by day into a massive six-figure business module if you just do it the right way. But it will require a lot of hard work along with smart work. But if you are an immature guy trying to viral first video and you are here to find a shortcut, then this video is not for you. In this video, I will be guiding you with exactly what works and how you can make it work. But it's not a get-rich-quick video. You need to put in the efforts. One more thing in last video. I did giveaway announcement today. Winners will be picked live in front of you. So don't miss it. So let's get started. Guys, there are unlimited channels on YouTube that upload videos related to movies, but you know better how risky that can be. Most of them are not even monetized because that is not their original content and involves a high risk of copyright issues and demonetization. However, there is a very easy way to make your own AI movie videos without using these movies. And this niche is going to perform amazingly well in 2025. If done correctly, this niche can literally change your life. So we will jump right into the process. For making AI movie videos, we will be using an all-in-one AI tool named Ninja Tools. This AI has all the pro AI tools arranged in a single place, making it one of the best AI platforms to save plenty of our time and effort. First of all, we will start with this Llama Chat AI because I have personally tested it and it is way better than GPT-4. So first, we will tell Llama that we make imaginary movie explained videos on YouTube that are not related to any actual movie, but are self-made movie explained videos. I want you to provide me with some video topics for my next video. Now, guys, Llama will provide you with a list of all the good imaginary movie plots that you can then use to make your own movie. It will appear as if it is an actual movie. First, you need to select a good video topic. You can even command Llama to provide you with imaginary movie topics in specific genres like crime thriller, sci-fi, horror, action, adventure, and so on. This step can be very beneficial, and I would suggest you go with a specific genre, as this will help attract more viewers' interest in those types of videos. Now pay close attention. We will be asking Llama, I want you to write me an imaginary movie explained script on this topic. Insert topic. Create imaginary movie explained videos about movies that don't actually exist, but the whole story should feel like I am explaining the scenes of an actual movie. You need to keep that in mind, and it must feel real. Use very easy and simple English, and do not use any difficult or hyperbolic wording. Make sure to start the story directly with a strong hook or pain point to instantly hook the viewer. Provide the whole script in the form of paragraphs, and don't provide any additional context, like person, character, narrator, etc. The script should be around 10,000 characters long. Like this, you can write down your whole movie explained script. This is a really amazing idea, guys, because you can make videos as long as 1 hour, and there will be no one to give you a copyright claim or strike. Isn't that great? Guys, the script will be so real that no one can tell whether it is a real movie explained video or a self-made movie. Now we will simply ask Llama to provide us with image prompts. For that, we will be using a special prompt that I tested myself several times and then listed in a Google document. Link will be in the description. By using this prompt, Llama will provide you with a list of all the image prompts that are completely related to your script. However, in case a particular scene is missing, you can use your imagination to create the images. I would highly suggest using your own imagination when writing image prompts, because that will be much better and more professional. Now it's time to generate not just images, but videos. Yes, Ninja Tools has its own AI video generator, so we will be making actual movies. You can see a sample of the generated videos. Quality is so superb that it almost feels real. What we will do is simply copy and paste our image prompt here, Then select the aspect ratio of the video and choose the duration of the video, up to 10 seconds. After that, simply click on the arrow to start the video generation. It will take about 4 to 5 minutes for Ninja Tools to create the video. If you want to take things to the next level, I suggest first creating images and then turning those images into videos for even better quality and details. Take a look at this video. It's mind-blowing. It actually looks like a real scene from a movie. Next, we will copy our second image prompt and go to AI Art Canvas. Paste the image prompt here, then write additional presets like hyper-realistic, highly detailed, cinematic, and 4K. After that, select your image aspect ratio and press Ctrl+Enter to start the image generation process. Just take a close look at the image details and quality. Once you're satisfied, click on Export to download the image. Then, head back to the video generator, click on the plus icon, and upload the downloaded image. This feature isn't out yet, but it's coming soon, and I suggest following this method instead. Once you have all the materials ready, it's time to generate our voiceover. For that, we will be using 11 Labs. First, go to the voice library and apply the narrative and story filters. Then, simply change the language to English. These are the best voices for our niche. Keep in mind that you need to go with middle-aged voices that are crisp and clear, not whistling type, all right? Once you like a voice, simply click Add, and the voiceover will be added to your voiceover list. Then paste your script into 11 Labs. Select your custom voiceover character and generate your voiceover. If you are on the free plan, make sure to give 11 Labs attribution in your video description and you will be good to go. Now, we have everything ready, so simply import all the material in CapCut for editing, and then first what you need to do is place the voiceover on the timeline, and twice or thrice, listen to the voiceover first, and then what you need to do is simply remove only unwanted silent parts from the voiceover. Those that are feeling a bit annoying and unwanted. No need to remove all the silent areas. We need to give a realistic touch, so pay careful attention on which silent areas to remove and which ones to leave as it is. And once you have edited your voiceover, then carefully listen to the voiceover, use your autonomous ultra instinct senses, and then carefully place all the scenes according to the voiceover. Once you make the video clips with your imagination like I taught you in the image generation part, you will know which clip to place at which point. So just according to the voiceover, it will be easy for you to arrange the clips. I would also like to tell you something that this niche has no limitations of topics. And the greater the story, the more are the chances of your going viral. But one thing I want to tell you in advance is that once you start making these videos in early stages, some brain rot worms will come in your comments and will discourage you by saying that no one will watch these videos and that it's not worth. If you start focusing on such people, you will end up getting nothing in your lives. These people have only one motive: to demotivate others and never let anyone else succeed. So there is only one way to deal with such people. Just ignore them. Now guys, once all the clips are arranged. Now guys, don't add any animations or shaky transitions. We want to give this video a natural movie feel. And movies don't have transitions. Besides, transitions will just ruin the fun. I would suggest you go with only black fade transition at certain points where it suits well nothing else. And then talking about effects, effects can literally transform your whole video. And some basic and most commonly used effects are spark effect, distortion effect, and also dust effect. There are tons of other effects that you can go with depending on your specific scene and your own personal touch. And now to make video look more professional, we will simply add custom adjustment on the whole timeline, and then you can copy my settings. I literally use them in all of my videos. Keep the saturation between 7 to 10, and then keep the contrast between 13 and 18, and then coming to sharpness, keep it anywhere near 20, and for clarity, keep it between 30 and 40, and last but not the least, the heart of cinematic edits, vignette, keep its value anywhere from 8 to 13, and all these settings will change the whole appearance of your video, but you can even exceed the level of professionals by adding a good filter that gives warm or cool vibe. I mostly use Clear 2 filter, but you can go with any filter of your choice. This can add a touch of personal branding in your videos. Now after that, we will add captions in our video videos by using CapCut's free auto captions feature in just one click. Without these captions, any video will feel empty, and then it doesn't end here. Besides, all we have caption templates that can save you from hours of work. Simply pick a good caption template and then just place the captions anywhere at the bottom of the screen, and must adjust their size so that they look good and enhance the overall video. You can also add stickers to your videos. Stickers, like red circle and arrows that are highlighting or pointing something in the video, can literally grab attention of the viewers, psychologically making them to watch the video longer. But don't use this feature too much, or they might find it distracting. Only use at special occasions. And then, in final, we will add a smooth background music that suits our overall video vibe and is not distracting in the background and must reduce the volume of the music. And our video is completely ready. Let's have a look at what we created.
1 minute they were hiking through the forest, laughing and joking, and the next, they were completely lost. The group of friends had been warned not to stray from the trail, but they had been so caught up in the beauty of the forest that they hadn't noticed when they wandered off. Now, as they looked around, they realized that they were surrounded by nothing but trees. No signs of civilization, no sounds of cars or planes, just the eerie silence of the forest. As they tried to find their way back, they started to feel a sense of unease. It was as if they were being watched, and the feeling only grew stronger as the day wore on. They tried to shake it off, telling themselves it was just their imagination, but deep down, they knew something was off. The forest seemed to be shifting and changing around them, making it impossible to get their bearing. They would walk for hours.
Guys, that was already incredible, but we're gonna take it to the next level. Are you ready? Now, we'll upload our video to the channel with perfect SEO and an eye-catching thumbnail. First, go back to Ninja Tools, and then the Liama chat. Pay close attention to what we're going to command Liama. By keeping in mind my whole script, can you provide me with a dramatic, suspenseful, and eye-catching image prompt, ready-made for a video thumbnail? This command is very powerful, and the results will shock you. Once you get the prompt for the thumbnail, open GPT and ask it to make an image in a horizontal format using the prompt you receive. GPT will create a top-quality thumbnail for your video. For these types of videos, keeping the thumbnail without text will perform much better, just like Mr. Beast. Look at the thumbnail yourself. It's stunning, eye-catching, and compelling, making people want to click on it. If you're not happy with it, you can try again and again. I recommend creating at least 5 to 6 variations and then picking the best one from all of them. Now heading back to Liama, we will command Liama that I want you to do proper SEO for my video and provide me with multiple eye-catchy and clickable titles, along with a short, well-written and full SEO-optimized description along with tags and hashtags. And Liama will not only optimize your video, but will also guide you that which titles you must use as headers, meaning which titles you must consider for your videos, ones that are more curiosity-sparking and suspenseful. And then things get very simple. Just copy-paste everything very carefully in your video. It's very simple. And then about the category of your videos, it will be entertainment. And then in final, simply upload your thumbnail here and now. Talking about uploading time, YouTube itself states that uploading time for long videos won't affect the total amount of views that a video will get. But still, it is advised to upload video when most of the people in your target country are online and not sleeping. And that was all, guys. And this is just an example video guide, just to teach you how to make these videos now. Let's pick our giveaway winners from our previous video. We will simply copy up the link of our video, and now we will head towards random comment picker, and let's just paste the link here, and we will set the filter to anything goes, and we'll remove the duplicate comments. And now, let's fetch our giveaway winner. So, okay guys, here she is, our first giveaway winner, Mishkalena. Now, let's select the second winner, and there we go. Our second winner is ZocT9T, and our third giveaway winner is... Oh boy, you really need to change your username, okay? So all the winners, DM me on Discord to claim your giveaway. Link is in the description.